Got to save some space for for the game.
And he's like, yeah, can you come? I'm like, okay.
Thank you guys.
He gets nervous. Does he? Yeah. Because Johnny.
All good, yeah.
You make me had a wonderful laugh.
Oh, bless.
10 years off me.
We need it, darling, honestly. Yeah, man. Woo! Thank you, John. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alex.
Cheers. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
I love the games. The games.
Oh, you watched them?
Yeah.
I've got my second husband here. So hi, we're gonna win today. Amen. Hi, Daryl. This is a lovely goalie's dad. A lovely goalie's bro. He celebrated his birthday last 2 weeks ago. Yeah, yeah. And where's my other boyfriend? Where is he hiding?
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, darling. You weren't here last time. Do you remember the last time when he was handing us coffee, everything, tea at the tournament? You have to say that on my video. That's how it's gonna be. This is our lovely goalie's mom. Woohoo! Happy Mother's Day to us all. Cheers! Woo! Here. Boom. Thank you, John.
Coffee, espresso, samosas.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Thanks, Steve. Yep. We've got Steve here, one of the technical directors. Yeah. Yep.
So handsome. And he's tired, but he's still.
Properly. Happy Mother's Day. And then to our husband. Happy Mother's Day. Bring it to you. Happy Mother's Day to us. Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Hiya, how are you?
So young.
I'm fine, thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Wow, it's half time.
Hey guys. Oh, I didn't even. Okay. Let's go.
He knows not to be in your photos.
Come on, guys. Yes! Woo! Good job, mate. Nice.
Good Mother's Day goal. He's not
Exactly,
on the
leave him.
Yeah, he's not on the keeper. He's not touching anybody.
Exactly. In box. Yes. Oh!
Yeah!
Woo! Good job.
Anxious make you make mistakes. Relax. First to the ball.
Yes, Mateo.
Mateo. Well done, Mateo. Well done. Come on.
Oh! Yeah!
When you relax.
Oh, oh.
Go, Anthony.
Yes! Woo! 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 Oh my goodness, good job, boys. We're not, you know. Thank you. Bye.
Exactly. Just like it.
Don't be shy. Help yourself. Thank you guys for making it for us. Thank you guys. Help yourself. Come on, Max. Liam, it's also for you. Have you had some? Oh, good. Where is Aiden D? Where is it? Oh.
Nobody seems to want your cake.
No, yeah, that's fine.
Let me get my last cookie.
But they had the cookies. Cookies is gone. Come on, help yourself.
Pick it up. I'm ready.
I'm going to get Coach feeling it. All right, okay. Nathan, come have some. Why not? Oh.
One more that is eating. My goodness.
Not today. Today's Mother's Day, so they can eat unhealthy. Yeah, I'm joking.
Flexible, you know, bro. When your foot went up on top of the.
Oh my God! John, where's Sam's John? Why didn't you take his photo? Oh my God! No, you remember this last time? All those taekwondo moves, and he got a yellow for that.
No, he didn't get any yellow, did he?
He got a yellow after. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see.
Oh, you didn't see?
I know who got a yellow.
Yeah, Luke got a yellow, and Anthony. Yeah.
You know what? It wasn't.
A good yellow, yeah, that's fine. Where's Coach Phil? Oh, thanks, Steve. Good job, boys. Aiden D, well done, love. He doesn't want to be in my video, but you joking, Phil. Thank you, and Steve. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Do. Oh, the cake finally moved. That's good. Anne-Marie, the cake finally moved. The cake finally... Oh, I thought you were drinking coffee. Yeah.
Where's that croissant?
Moms and dad, please, help yourselves, please. Don't be shy. Let's get some. I saw Steve. Steve finished the old, what's it called? Where's Steve? See, he finished the old donuts. See?